Hello everyone, I am S. Vijay Lakshmi working as an assistant professor at SNS College of Technology. Now we are going to discuss about cyber security policies. Most of the organizations, cyber incidents occur due to lack of technology, but due to human errors and easy or uncontrolled access, lack of awareness and compliance. So, cyber security policies act as the foundation of an organization's security posture. Uh, the main core problem is lack of clear and well-defined security policies leads to data breaches, misuse of systems, and then cyber attacks, insider threats also. So without policies, user don't know what is allowed, what is restricted, and what actions lead to consequences. So there are more possible approaches here. And the purpose is cybersecurity policies aim to protect integrity, availability, and confidentiality, define the roles and responsibilities, and also educate the users on cyber hygiene, and also use technical controls aligned with regulatory compliance. So policies also align the organizational security. There are possible solutions. There are three types of security policies there. First one is the organizational policies, and second one is the specific issue specific policies and also system specific policies. We see one by one. First one is the organizational policies. It's also called as enterprises information security. It defines, in the name itself, it's clear. It defines the overall security goals, objectives, and all the directions of the organization. The main key characteristics is applies entire organization and approved by top management. It's a high level and also the statistics one. Then it also includes legal and regulatory compliance, role and responsibilities, consequences of policy violations, and organizational commitments also. So these policies all act as the umbrella policy for all others. Then going to the next policy is issue specific policy. This is focus only or specify the security issues or user activities, and also specify the risk areas or user activities. Key characteristics, more detailed than organizational policy. It also frequently updated. Then it's a user focused one. Then examples for common issue specific, password policy, social media policy, mobile device policy, and then email usage policy also. These policies guide the users for day-to-day behavior. Then going to another one, third one, system specific policy. It defines the technical and the operational um, rules for specific systems, such as servers, databases, applications, and firewall, network devices also. It is technical and operational in nature. It used by IT administrators and also includes configuration and access controls. Then it covers um, server hardening rules, database access permissions, and also backup and recovery procedures. Activity, classroom activity. All the students to identify these policy violations in the given scenario. For example, sharing password with the friends, using public Wi-Fi for office work, and also installing unauthorized software. This helps students understand that policy violations often start small but lead to major breaches. Then summary, cybersecurity policies convert security intentions to enforceable actions. They bridge the gap between technology users and also management. Technology enforces security, but policies define security. Understanding these policies is very, very essential one for building the compliance and security for the organizations. Thank you.